Are you preparing for GAT and want a perfect solution that will help you to get 99 plus percentile this year? EduRev app, awarded as the best app by Google for learning, is just the solution for you. And with its EduRev Infinity plan, you can get all that you need for your GAT preparation. From learning courses for quantitative aptitude, reading comprehension, verbal ability, logical reasoning and data interpretation, to guidance books and even test series for all the exams. What else? Even the required test series material for all the sections is included in the package. Imagine anything that you need for cracking GAT, EduRev has it all for you. Each course offers interactive video lectures combined with detailed notes and online tests for all the topics. Video lectures help you understand the topic and are created by some of the best teachers in the country. Detailed notes guide you towards every minute detail to help you learn faster and better. These quick online tests test your knowledge and take you to perfection, making you understand how clearly you learned a topic. Get deep analysis after every test. Understand the competition with all India ranks, plus your strengths and weaknesses with guiding analysis and solutions. Along with learning, get your doubts solved within minutes through the EduRev forums, the largest community of teachers and students to help you all the time. So go ahead now and join EduRev Infinity to improve your scores like the other national toppers from across the country. EduRev, which has received the maximum awards including the Best App Award by Google, can help you too, just like a friendly personal teacher you always wanted.